Wasson Bluff is a great exposure of 201 million year old basalt, which was originally lava flows from the late Triassic period. The lavas along the shore were poured out as a supercontinent Pangaea began to break apart, a precursor to the opening of the Atlantic Ocean. When the lavas began to cool, hot gases and mineral-rich solutions percolated up through cracks and crevices, leaving a wonderful suite of minerals behind. Here you can find some excellent specimens of the zeolite family of minerals. Come, let's see what is there. We're fully around Wasson Bluff now, and along the shoreline in the lava flows, the ancient lava flows, a lot of cracks and crevices that contain a whole family of zeolite minerals. One of the most famous in this section is a mineral called chabazite. It's a nice orangey yellow color, and it's a beautiful mineral to collect.
You know, chabazite is not an uncommon mineral. The quality and beauty of the pieces from Wasson's Bluff is unsurpassed.
There are a few pieces from Wasson's Bluff that are the best for their kind of mineral in the world. The orange chabazites that we have here are by far the best and the largest.
The first time I heard about Wasson's Bluff was on a field trip with the Nova Scotia Mineral and Gem Society. We came here and as a group, and we're walking along the beach, and I found naturalite needles, delicate crystals for the very first time, and it was wonderful.
As a mineralogist, I got excited about the zeolites, the mineral zeolites, because it's an interesting group of elements, of minerals, that people don't really know them, and then don't know the significant role that this group of minerals may play in the life of people in various aspects. So chabazite is quite well known for this, for its absorption capabilities. Then, if you get stilbite, because of its structure again, it can be used as a molecular sieve. We have a representative mineral for each of those uses in industry of zeolites in this particular outcrop.
I remember back in the 1990s arranging a trip with the Nova Scotia Gem and Mineral Society. We were able to get permission from the museum to actually go and collect on the cliff with the museum supervision, collect some lovely pieces, which the museum benefited from the best of the haul that day.
Why don't the pieces that people find on the beach look quite like the ones in our showcase? There are many reasons for that. One being that if it falls off the cliff and you're not there before the tide is, then they get rolled and they get damaged. We just love it that people come here with their families. It's not something that's easy to do in any other part of Canada, whereas here you can go to the beach, you can have a picnic on the beach, mind the tides, and you're fine, and you might find some minerals and you might find something exciting.
You have to talk to other people who are interested in minerals to learn from them, and you have to read everything you can about your local area. You know, that's one of the things I always liked about collecting minerals. It gets you to places that you would have no other reason to be there, but they're beautiful places, and there's really neat stuff to see.
When you go in the field, you're just trying to see what is different, and you try to have samples from every different spot you see. But the real excitement comes in the lab, when you start analyzing and see things that you never knew was happening.